Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Renu and you're watching Speak and Thrive. So this is day 7. I have completed this 7 days English speaking challenge and I'm really proud of it that yes, I have done. Like I did not do it before, so this is the first time I was doing this challenge for 7 days spoken English. I was exploring some amazing things in English language. However, I was having some issue similarly, but it's okay. I'm finally about to complete this. It is the last video of 7 days English speaking challenge. Well, I got to learn a lot of things in this series, different concepts in English, and of course, I have shared with you throughout my 7 days journey with the help of different videos. And yeah, I understand that I did not get so many views because maybe people are not interested watching me, but that's fine. I mean, whoever is interested definitely interact with me, right? So yeah, I'm happy for that I have done finally. This is my last video. This is my 7th video, and it helped me to gather courage. It helped me to, explore something new. But yes, somewhere I'm feeling a little bit demotivated because, I tried so hard. I tried so hard to upload video every day. You know very well that it is really not easy to upload a video and to shoot a video, even though you have busy schedule. So yeah, I did that, but I did not get that support which I expected from my audience. So somewhere I'm feeling a little bit demotivated and also kind of proud of myself because I have done this. I have done this for myself. Well, I'm not getting any view or not, it doesn't matter. This is a different part of the thing. But the other part is that I'm getting that confidence, right? I'm building the belief in myself. I'm getting that confidence is yes, whatever I'm going to decide, I'm going to complete that. So yes, I build confidence. But I request you guys, I just want to request you and suggest you please just explore my channel. You will definitely get to learn a lot of things. And if you have any ideas, anything that you want to suggest me, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'm trying to be positive and I'm trying to just stick with my journey so that, of course, I understand that ups and downs, this is just a part of our life. But sometimes there are things they actually pull us down. And I think this is one of those things because I'm not getting any kind of interaction from your end, any kind of support from your end, any kind of suggestion, feedback from your side. And why I'm sharing, because I really want to interact with you guys. And this is the thing that I love, to interact with people. To be really honest, I love to interact with people. And if you have anything to tell me, to suggest me, I have already informed you. Just share it in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. So that is just the part of the life, ups and downs, and I'm totally okay with it. It doesn't matter now. But yes, I'm gonna explore some more amazing challenges. I'm sure about it, and I can give you 100% surety. If you're watching me first time, by the way, and if you haven't watched my video before, then do subscribe right away, because in the future I'm gonna take some amazing challenges for English learning, especially for English learners, especially, and it's gonna be really interesting and super fun. So do subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm happy that I have completed 7 days challenge. If you have anything, please share it in the comment section. Let's see you soon.